Every year, millions of industrial parts are thrown away. Wasted material, wasted energy, wasted potential. At Radwell, we believe there's a better way. We repair what others replace. We source what others discard. Through our repair services, surplus parts program, and Sell Us Your Parts program, we give industrial equipment a second life. Because sustainability isn't just a value, it's how we operate. When a part can't be repaired, we don't throw it away. We harvest what's usable and responsibly recycle the rest. With a global presence and millions of parts in stock, Radwell helps manufacturers reduce their environmental footprint without sacrificing performance. Less waste, longer life cycles, a more resilient supply chain. Responsive, reliable, ready. That's Radwell.